I can trade alone or trade together.
When I'm looking for something new to invest in, my first stop is the newsfeed. The market's looking strong. I'm in.
I'm waiting for a correction before buying again.
Just buy and use a stop loss. Easy.
Just buy and use a stop loss.
Portfolios of other traders in real time.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Get this here.
Good morning, bro.
Morning. How you doing?
I mean, the same trade.
How would
Check the markets.
yeah, man, how was New York yesterday?
Perfect. I caught DJ buys.
Nice. They happened later on, didn't they?
Yeah, yep,
Nice, I saw that. That's good shit.
yeah. I caught my 11 pips and I think I ran for like 35 pips.
Yeah, it was good, man. It was
Yeah.
clean up to the tops again.
Mm-hmm.
Lovely. Right, I'll get this sorted. And we should be good. Hey, good morning, everyone in the chat. Good afternoon. Ooh, afternoon. Where are you from?
You caught any positions yesterday?
No, unfortunately, after the stream I couldn't because I was away at a zoo. So I was bro. Right, I'll do a little YouTube video, not YouTube, Instagram story. We are live now. Got my nice coffee, ready to look at the charts, and finish off Thursday with a bang. Not finish off Thursday. What the fuck am I talking about? Morning, guys. The stream is up now. We have just started, and we're going to be doing the GJ analysis right now, and then gold, and then GU. So make sure to tune in. Yeah. Alright. Lovely. Welcome everyone. It's a beautiful day here again, and we're going to be doing the same thing we do every day to catch these great trades. So GJ pushed up nicely, so let's have a quick look. Yeah, 230 was started. If we look here, this was the kind of trade idea. Closure above here. You could have gotten in here with the volume, but preferably here because we closed above resistance. When we started exceeding the high, stop loss below the previous to continue. Targets and then runners would have done well as well. Damn. So really solid trade there. Congrats. Hey, I'm bro. I'm new to Forex and want to learn Forex. I'm skipping lunch and watching this your valuable free education episode. Thank you very much for joining in. You're going to be learning a lot today, as we do every single day. So the first thing that we do on charts, guys, make sure you like the stream as well for the morning. Lovely. So the first thing we want to do is we start on the daily time frame, and we basically do our candle flips. You can see here. Let's just see how loud this music is. 1 second. That's not too bad. Okay, so this is the candle high on the daily. So this is the daily flip. I'm going to start annotating here. So daily flip. Really solid. And let's just move this to the right middle. Yeah, top. Okay, great stuff. So we've got our daily flip right here. Now let's look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour flip is here. The reason why I do this, guys, just people who are new here, is so I can have a look. I can see the higher time frames whilst looking at like the 15-minute and the 30-minute, and I don't have to just keep on switching. So I know that these are the 4 hour flips and the daily flips. I've been having trouble with my magic keys. Has anyone been experiencing similar issues? Can't open calc. Oh, can't open. I think what the best thing to do is to just contact support and maybe ask them, or maybe reinstall it. Maybe. Maybe. So look, we've got our daily and we've got our 4 hour. Amazing. Wow, 15 people in the chat. Amazing stuff. Let's see if my Discord bot is working. If you guys haven't joined my Discord in here, make sure you do. Yep, lovely, streaming now, amazing stuff. So let's go to the hourly and the 30-minute and the 50-minute. Okay, so the hourly, I can see there is a clear resistance at the top, which will be annotating right now. So you can see this is the clear resistance right here. And this will make perfect sense, because if we do start exceeding these highs above here, we'll also flip the daily and the 4 hours, so higher time frames will be in our bias. But at the moment, we have bearish things, because all these lines, the price is below both of the lines, which means that the daily is bearish and the 4 hour is bearish. Okay, that's great. Now looking this even further, we can see that we came down in Asian a little tiny bit, and we reacted off this level. And you can see that this makes sense, because we broke past this support, we came back to the next support, which was a resistance before, which is right here. And now normally when you come back to a resistance axis, it also acts as support. What does Magic Keys exactly do? Magic Keys is this. I have it on my screen right here. I'll show you in a second. And it basically means I can click break even. I can make my trades instantly. I can put my stops to break even. I can close custom, which means 75% for me. But it just gives you a tool to trade without being worried about, you know, typing in the numbers and stuff. Very quick. And if you want one, I have a affiliate link in my Instagram. But yeah, make sure you check them out. This is only like $21 or something, $29. It was sick, and it works amazing. So highly recommend it for sure. So now look, we've got our support here, we've got our resistance, and now all we need to do is wait for a break, which is very easy. You can see this past hourly candle right here closed doji, came all the way down here. So if we do get a closure below this zone right here, we're going to be heading down to the next zone. We look left to find the next zone, which is here, and this will be the next target. So if we do start exceeding these lows here, we're going to be dropping, and we'll be filling this, which is 20 pips, which is beautiful for a trade. And then runners could possibly get all the way back down to here. So we've got some nice targets for sells. All the time frames are bearish, but we just need to see with volume where we're going to close. If we do get a closure above, we're going to be good. So here I'm going to be writing. Actually, can I write on this as well? Oh shit! I know you can't. So buys above 151,450. A really solid way to buy right here. And then for sells, we are looking possibly under here. So you can see in the space of not even 5 minutes, I've got what I'm looking for. I'll do 150 because it's closer. I've got what I'm looking for very easily, just by using the higher time frames, going down from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. Wow, 28 views in the chat already. Morning guys, make sure you like the stream. Amazing stuff. So yeah, we've got our buys, we've got our sells, and now we wait patiently. And we don't take any entries in the zone, because what would happen is something like what happened yesterday, which was, let's see here, this. So we were in a zone here. Let me just extend this out right here. We were in a zone right here. People were looking for buys here. Then these candles wicked all the way back down, and then we started pushing. You don't trade in a range. You wait until the breaks. So for here, this was a break, but there was not really a candle you could enter on. Here was a break, 245, a really nice candle. To continue, that would have been gorgeous, 245. Your stop loss here would have been 9 pips. Aim for the highs, 13, and then to continue on, we look left. What can you see left? We can see these highs as well. Can we see anything else further left? Yep, clean candles here, and then this would have been the next target for me. So very clean trades yesterday, but it was a bit later on. It was 2:45, so for me that wasn't my trading time. I normally finish 2:30 maximum, really. How long have you traded for? Since I was 14, 15, so 6 years. 27 views, amazing stuff. 9 likes in the chat already. So yeah, we've got this drawdown now, so now we can just wait patiently for this candle to close. The hourly will give me more kind of level. So if the hourly does this This is what I'm looking for, okay, guys? If the hourly gets a solid bearish closure, like here. Oh shit, this is a different red, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Solid closure like this. Then this is going to be looking good to continue down. Wait for its top wick, and then to flip, and then we're going to be good, okay? Like this. Or, because we don't know, we need to wait until price gives us a indication. Or we could have a closure up here, wait for the lower wick, and then start flipping, and there you go. So there's lots of possible ways we can get in here. We could be fluid in the markets because, you know, if price comes up here, the daily and the 4 hour are going to be bullish, and if price comes back down here, the daily and the 4 hour are also bearish. So we're good in that respect. Brown says 37 pips yesterday on GJ buys. Boy, let's go. Wow, well done. You caught all of them. So you held on the whole way. Nice. Did you trail your stop loss while you were in the trade? So for example, if you were here and you closed on here, maybe you would have taken some profits off here. Then when this made support right here, I would have had my stop loss right there, and then continued put my stop loss until it probably got worked out here. Amazing, 10 likes in the stream already, guys. So next thing we can do is we can look at gold, because I know a lot of you guys like gold, and we're going to do the exact same analysis here. Very, very simple. Ooh, okay. Looks like gold is rejecting these highs over here. Damn. So let's start from fresh again, guys. What do we do here? We do the horizontal lines to show our higher time frames. I'm not going to write it on the side. I only do that on GJ because it just takes a bit of time. So here we have our zones very, very quickly here. Doesn't take long at all. So you can see that the 4 hour and the daily are bearish. So we have a kind of bias for the day. Ooh, okay, okay. Now looking left, we are coming back into this consolidation box, which is rather annoying. But you can see the hourly has a pretty obvious support right here. And it's also kind of links in with the support that was here. So we've got support here now, or here. If we break and get a closure, either on this 8 o'clock candle, so like this, and then we have a little push up and then flip, that could be a really good entry. But let's just look more to the left, because the left will give us more indication of how far we can go down. So the lows are around here. The only issue is that it's quite choppy here. But you can see with volume it still pushes down. So let's see how big this range is. Oh wow, that's a nice range actually. Fuck. Yeah, so this could be a good opportunity. So if you wait until 8 o'clock, because 8 o'clock now, there's no point getting in earlier because, you know, the hourly's closing, so you'll get more of an indication if you're going to start ripping down with the hourly opening. So it's still got 50 minutes left. See how this candle closes. But it looks like, ooh, yeah. So you have to wait because look, these candles wick down, didn't close, so you have to be patient here. And because it's so close to the 8 o'clock, you may have to wait. People being ballsy in trades like this could be good. Wow, look at these hourly candles as well. It's printing bearish, pretty solid. But yeah, you can see we're on a support here. We need to get the closure below to indicate that we're going to be dropping down and filling this range. Have a look at the daily for this. Yeah, and we'll be exceeding the low of the daily. Come back into this consolidation zone right here. Yeah, so it didn't really have these highs. It kind of held them. Nice. So yeah, I'll be waiting for that. That could be a good opportunity, to be honest. Waiting for this 15 to close. I mean, if it does get a closure below, then you could go for it. I set partials, then let runner run target was hit. Lovely. Well done. Congrats. This week's been good, actually. I think I've taken one losing trade in NY. I think it was on Monday. Apart from that, all winners. I took like 7 trades. So really, really good. Even on the stream, guys, I mean, I've taken like one loss on this stream since I started. Not too bad. Because I'm very, very picky with what I'm wanting to see. But it means your profitability is pretty high. So GU exactly the same story here. We'll be printing bearish, even though the last candle was pretty bullish. Let's just do this here. Daily 4 hour. like this. Okay. So, ooh, GU seems to be coming down here, and it looks like it might respect and come back down to the next zone it has, which is down here, which is the 4-hour support right here. If you look at the hourly, let's go to the 30-minute as well. Yeah, it looks like clean candles to the left here. It could start to come down back to this really, really big support. Just doing some more ones. It is quite choppy here on the left though, which I don't like. There is also support and resistance here. So why I'm drawing this line here is because before it was a support right here, and now there's a resistance here and here and here. So if it closes back, which it kind of has, it should fill up this wick here. So yeah, let's see how much it could drop. Yeah, 15 pips. Your stop loss could be above this this candle right here if you got in. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, GU's looking nice. What are people looking at today then, guys, in the chat? Make sure to tell me. Let's also have a look at Discord. Send some charts in. Here's some charts for the stream. Wow, lovely. So we have a chart here. Wow, so Big Mike, he did this at 6:35. Okay, so not even when I wasn't on the stream. You can see he's doing exactly what I've done. So 151.450 for buys, okay, and sells 151.161, okay, and he says he's waiting for sells below and buys above. Okay, so if we go to my charts now, pretty much the same, isn't it? So, you know, use this method. I mean, Big Mike has been sending me charts really, really well this week. And, you know, they're consistent and they're looking very, very similar to mine. Yeah, it's literally the same as mine. Apart from he's misspelled 161 there instead of 151. And he's going to get in at 160. I said 150 just to be even. But, you know, his trading kind of setups are so similar to mine. That's what I wanted to do. So when I was looking at Raj's stream, so, I'll show you Raja, my boy. So like so basically I learned from Raja streams. So if you look at Raja here, so before we started NY, what I did was I hopped on the stream. So let's just see this. Let's just wait for this. 10 minutes, 15 minutes before he started the stream, I drew the charts after I've watched him for a while and kind of did this and see if my zones were the same as his. Let's start, because at the start, he does his fresh analysis at the start, obviously, and he would have done everything. And then what I did was, obviously, as time goes on, I would have got so used to marking out the charts that I got basically identical charts to him, and that's what you should be doing to really learn this. So just an example of why he's doing really, really well, Big Mike, in the chat. Very, very happy with that. But yeah, so if this 4-hour flips and we do get some closures above here, we're going to be looking for some buys. Let's just try and find some zones for some buys, okay? Because you're on these highs right now. So you can see the next zone is here. The reason why I picked this point, let's just explain this a bit more, okay? The reason why I picked this point is because we have clean candles, these candles, to the left, and the next resistance is here. There is also a minor one here, but I'll be at break even by then. So this is the zone that we should be filling up, okay? So taking that into consideration, how big is the zone? The zone's 30 pips, so we're good. I only look for trades, in zones where they're more than like 12 pips, because if they're less than 12 pips, it's hard to get my 10 pips, because I like to get my 10 pips for the day. So yeah, this is going to be interesting though, in hours, 12 minutes time, where this candle is going to close. Literally just looking at GJ, still not comfortable with gold volatility. Yeah, that's fine. It's all about your comfort levels, and you can see here, this 15-minute that I was talking about, if you get a close below, look, we haven't got a close below, have we? So for me, there is no trade on gold yet. If this rinses down right now, that's fine, but for me, there is no trade in gold because we haven't closed below this clear support, okay? So that's what you need to mark out. You need to mark out your supports. If you get a closure, then you're starting to look good for some sells, okay? Make sure you like the stream, guys. Hope you're enjoying the education I'm giving you. So here, let's look at Forex Factory. I'm pretty sure we're all good for today. In our time period, yeah. We have GDP, preload GDP for USD. This is at 130. So taking this into consideration, guys, normally when there's news for USD, normally gold does struggle to make any moves. It normally ranges. So taking into that consideration, we may actually just keep on ranging in here. But we don't know. If you still get a close below, I'm still going for it, because news, you know, shouldn't be basing all of your trades on news. You should be basing it on candles, okay? Try not to like second guess the market. If it's printing bearish and you think it's something's going up, don't fucking buy it. Look at the last one, Jackson News. Oh wow. Oh shit. What is this? Wyoming. Okay. Something about advance acquisition final participants from around the world. The meetings are closed to the press, but officially usually talk with reporters throughout the day. Can create significant market volatility. Okay, so this is quite a big actually. But it seems quite sketchy that it's just all like really high up people are going to a thing. It's a bit odd. So take it into that consideration, yeah. Well, I mean, you can't really do much about it. You could either leave the day or whatever. I think if you go along here, let's have a look. Sunday, Monday. Yeah, so on Monday, guys, we have a GBP bank holiday. So that means, you know, volume is quite low. If you backtest, so all you have to do is just go GBP bank holidays this year, okay? So these are all the dates for the bank holidays, okay? Now what all you can do is get these dates, write them down, go on TradingView, go and back test the day, and if it moved, then you go, oh, maybe there's actually a bit of volume. And if it doesn't move, what's the point in coming up? So what I've seen was I go and yeah, there's maybe like 1 or 2 moves, but the volume's quite low because it's a bank holiday. So this Monday I probably won't be streaming because it's a bank holiday. I may do something else. I may do something full, like fun, like a, I don't know, just a fun stream maybe. But yeah, because it's a bank holiday, there isn't that much news. There isn't that much volume, so that's completely fine. So as you've seen here, we get the closure. We've exceeded the low of the previous. We should still continue down. It's got 9 minutes until this hourly closure though. So, you know, getting in now can be quite risky because if you guys pay attention, and what I always tell everyone is, you know, look at these candles. They all have a top wick and a bottom wick, most of them, yeah? So if you look at the hourly candle here, we know 85% of the time it's going to make a top wick. So if you get into a trade now, you are basically taking the consideration that you are going to be making a top wick here. So you are going to be in some drawdown, okay? That's basically what you're saying to yourself. So you could either wait now and wait until the hourly closes to make the top wick and then start flipping, or you could be greedy and try and get in now and maybe take a lot of drawdown. Up to you. Wow, 46 views in the chat. Welcome, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. I want to hear that subscriber noise today. The subscriber noise is cool. It's a cool animation as well. Make sure you do it. We are doing a Magic Keys giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you hit that subscribe button for sure. But yeah, we'll see if you get a closure below here and a closure either above or below. But you can see here GJ is kind of like, oh, I don't know what to do. We have a little mini resistance actually here. But the range at this point is a bit too small to get into a trade at this resistance. So I'd rather wait until we get a closure above and then we start rocketing off. That would be nice. But look at these 4-hour wicks. They're really so the reason what I'm saying with these 4-hour wicks is prices came all the way down, tapped this level and started rinsing back up. So it suggests that it's making quite a big support on the 4-hourly. You know, this candle came down, this candle came down, this candle came all the way down just like this one did and rejected it. 20 likes in the stream, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you're enjoying the education this morning. Oop, get off. Get off, boy. Let's see if we can get this closure then. And people who are new in the chat, because there's 47 people here, how have you seen my stream? How did you find it? Make sure to tell me in the comments. Is it from Instagram? Is it from just YouTube? Just type in Forex. Make sure to tell me. I'm trying to do some more TikToks as well. I've never seen that news item on Forex Factory before. Yeah, to be fair, I haven't either. It's quite interesting, isn't it? Yeah, it looks mad. Jackson Hole. Mad. Antonio, what are you looking for then, bud?
Looking for same setups. Gold sells and yeah, GJ.
Yeah.
I'm looking for sells below 151, 140, and buys above 151, 455.
Yeah, lovely. So we've identified our zone here. So you can you can see the range here. 27 pips, not too bad at all.
I think gold is breaking below.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, for me though, you can't really get in. It's just too risky because of this hourly closure. And if you look at the hourly closures before, they have a 10 pip top wick. So you know, how much commission on your broker if you use a one lot? I think it is £5. £5. So IC markets is £5. But obviously it depends on your currency rate on it.
Yeah, just about.
Mine's straight 5, yeah. But to be fair, even if that's more or less, IC markets is spread.
I think mine's
too
7.
good. Jeez, fuck, that's quite a lot.
Yeah, that is.
I'm surprised. So why doesn't America not like? Because bro, you'd probably like join IC markets, wouldn't you? If you could.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think they even have like the crypto option.
Yeah, they don't.
Yeah, they don't.
I know. So people found me from Insta. Oh, someone found me from YouTube. Tammy found me from YouTube. So just typing in it. Oh, whoa! I can see GJ. See GJ starting to push. Okay, this is good. Wow, that looks so much more aggressive. Oh, it's because I'm on the 5 minute. I just looked at my meta trade and that shit was flying. I was like, holy shit. Okay, so we're starting to break above this little resistance we had right here. So people who are getting risky buys, they could get in on the closure right here. But for me, I kind of want to wait a bit higher up because I want the daily to be bullish. But yeah, look, so you know, past daily candles, very, very bullish. Yesterday's is very, very bullish. We've actually closed but above this resistance. So if you look here, closed above this resistance we've made. This candle is closed above. So if we do flip this daily candle, we should be continuing our uptrend. And theoretically, where are we going to end up? Well, we're going to end up back at these highs over here. So for runners, we have a good runner zone today, which is really, really good. But at the moment, yeah, really need to wait for this closure. So 3 minutes time doesn't look like we're going to be getting any buys instantly, but maybe another 15 minutes waiting for the closure above. And for people new here, waiting for closures is when the candle like closes. For example, this candle came all the way up here, couldn't close above. This candle came all the way up, couldn't close. This candle came all the way up, couldn't close. So this is the resistance. When we get a closure, okay, so if this candle closes in 2 minutes time like this, okay, then the next one maybe gets this one, then the next one makes it low. I'm going to be entering on this candle closing, and then this one making this bottom wick and then exceeding. So I'll be entering here with stop loss here. Oh, this is tight. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for. Bro, I went to this park yesterday in Yorkshire, like in the UK, and there was fucking polar bears. Holy shit, they're huge. I saw
just at the park,
bro. Like yeah, like they had like it was like a wildlife reserve, so it wasn't like a zoo, it was like a proper, they had like acres of just fucking land just vibing. And for the first time we saw like a female one and like its cubs, and I was like, these are big, but they're not that big. And I saw the male, holy fuck, he was like double their size. Morning Connor, morning. Connor got some nice trades yesterday, I saw on Instagram. Fire. 22 likes in the stream, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. I'm waiting for this 8 a.m. To bring us some nice volume, which it looks like it's going to. I'm just getting my magic keys, trying to get them in line here.
I'm locked in on gold.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
30-minute closure below. I'm looking for sells.
Yeah. And it's a nice zone too. Oh, I don't know which one to look for. Fuck. Ah, looks so good. Fuck.
I'm going with gold.
Yeah. I want a solid closure though, a bit further down, because if it closes on support, it's not good enough for me. Yeah. You tell me if that shit closes nice.
Bet.
That shit closes fire. I'm hopping on that. Yeah. Hey bro, do you consider the daily 4-hour support area to the left around 151,570? Daily and 4-hour support area. Let's have a look here. So here, 155.40. Oh, like here. So these wicks, yeah. I mean, you can take these into consideration, but when are these made? Yeah, these are made throughout the day. You know, we're looking at 8 o'clock open with volume in. Also, we've actually closed back end support from these higher time frames, so even suggests more that we're going to be continuing up. Oh shit! Look at GJ. Okay, I'm just.
Gold didn't close below.
Okay.
It's all good.
Okay. We goody. Oh shit. So there's lots of things to do here. You could either do an impulse, preferably. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. Let me just adjust this here. Above here. So this is good now. So the daily is going to flip now. So you can see here the daily is about to flip, which is good. And preferably for me, yeah, it's going to be above here. I don't want to be taking any impulses. I want to have clean candles up here. I mean, if you get a 5-minute closure and then start exceeding, maybe with volume, but I'll have to see right here because we've got 14 minutes left. It's got a lot on this candle. Okay. Oh shit. Down. It needs to chill, bro. This shit's gonna fly. This is just gonna fly, bro. There's just no way to get in, really. Just relax for 13 minutes, please. Relax and just close beautifully, please. Just close like this. Like right there. And make its lower wick, and then boom! That'll beat my fucking trade right there.
Yeah, if we get closures above, I'm all in.
Yeah. What else can I draw on this? Let's draw like a fucking. Can you draw like a spaceship on this? I saw fucking leaked this trading yesterday doing some fucking spaceships. I'm so bad at drawing. Hey, let's try and do this. It's got like a triangular bond, doesn't it? What the fuck? Oh shit, that's that. What the fuck? Oh wait, okay. Let me try and do this. I want a red spaceship. Okay. Now it's got a drawing tool, I think. These things for zoom are like fire. They just help out a lot. Yeah, I give up with the drawing. I can't do it. I need to learn my drawing skills. But yeah, 12 minutes time. We're looking for this closure here. If you haven't liked the stream already, oh shit! If you haven't liked the stream already, guys, make sure to like the stream. Let's get this to 50 likes today. I think we can do that. We've got a lot of people in. Are we catching these GJ buys for sure? So yeah, let's have a look at gold here. Yeah, see, so gold didn't close below. So you know, really good here, waiting for closures. So if you learned anything on the stream, guys, make sure to tell me. And how did you lose? How did you actually learn something here? Closures below really important. So let's have a look at some chat comments. Make sure to send some questions in also in the chat. That'll help. GJ broke out. Looks good for bias 2. GA. Oh shit. Oh, I've exceeded the highs. I was thinking if we haven't exceeded the highs here and this flips, oh, that's gonna be gorgeous. Max, do you usually partial TP on your magic keys? Yeah, my partial. So my actually no, I don't really. I don't really, and I should do more. But basically, I do close custom. So like my custom's like 75%. I've set it to. So whenever I take it off, I close that, and then the rest I just run. So I normally press stop loss at break even, close custom, and then there you go.
I was gonna say I use the partial TP because it actually when you're about to hit TP compared to like the spreads, Magic Keys reads the price and not spreads. So it helps you actually, like, if you have high spreads on GJ or something like that, or gold, then you hit, once you hit your target, you hit your target. It doesn't like take time to take you out because of your spreads.
Yeah, that's true actually. I know, I need to try it out more. So we've got 10 minutes left. Had no bearish pressure at all. So we're looking good for these buys, okay? We're looking good for these buys. 27 likes in the stream. Thank you for liking the stream. Really helps me out. We're growing nicely. 46 viewers consistently. Really, really good. If you guys have got like trading friends and stuff, make sure to share the stream to them. Helps me out considerably. I'll do another Instagram post. Wait, the day I get 100 viewers, that's gonna be fire, bro. Triple digits. We are still live, guys, waiting for the closure above. Make sure to join the stream, guys. We're talking about lots of different questions here. 46 viewers, 27 likes. Make sure to join from Instagram. Come and join the fun. Okay, so we're getting this push now. Lovely stuff. 9 minutes. Okay, so 9 minutes is fine. If this runs off straight away now, then that's not on my trading plan, and that's you can't do anything about that, because you could say that for this one here, like you'd have lost loads of money from there. So taking impulses is very, very hard to do unless you've already got a closure and then you start to exceed. But for us, we can just wait until we get to these highs over here, wait for a closure, and we should be good. Yes, we've hit 30 likes. Amazing stuff, guys. Ooh, pushing. Yeah, so for me, I have to wait further. If this runs off, it runs off. But but really, really nice trade. Starting to push. It does have 8 minutes left. Is it gonna hold? I do not know. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. Relax a bit, my boy. So yeah, daily's now bullish. Look at this. Look at this. Oof. This is looking nice. Daily's bullish. 4 hours bullish. We're gonna be exceeding these highs here with the resistance. So I mean, even buy stops right now. I mean, you could have a buy stop 460, because what I'm seeing here is if price can exceed these candles, so exceed this one, exceed this, and exceed its own high, that'll be a really, really good zone to break. When you start coming up here and exceeding that one as well, so it could be good. But look, see, we're waiting patiently, no impulses. Some people would have been on buys there, and now they're down 5 pips. Have to wait for the closure, because what could theoretically happen is this could happen. It comes up with volume, gets a closure, just like this, like a closure, and you're like this, you're like, yeah, okay, well, it's still in the range, it's not the best. Has this little wick up, and everyone starts buying, and actually it's just rejecting these highs, flips back down, closes like this, and then actually price is just going to fill this range back up, like that. So waiting for this is very, very key. Let's see how gold is. Is anyone in any trades right now? If you've got any trades, guys, make sure to send them in the chat or in the Discord. If you guys haven't in the Discord already, the link is in this description, and it's also in my Instagram. So make sure to come into the Discord. Let's have a look at some new charts. So let me just fucking Really, really good trade analysis here. He'll be waiting for buys. Big Mike will be. I would be cautious at this level here. Probably bring my stop loss to a break even. Yep, that's completely fine. So, you know, that's fine with me because, you know, your stop loss at break even, you should be taking profits at, you know, 5, 6, 7, because that's 10 pips. So that should be fine. Buys above 151.450. Potential sells below 151.150. Amazing. Really good charts I get on stream, I tell you. I don't really get any like chalked charts, I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty good. So very, very good. So, man, it's GBP AUD. Yeah, I know. If you send me a chart, I'll look at it. So send me a chart. Thank you very much. Wow, look, this morning we got some joining, lovely. So we've got 128 members now. That's great. Oh, look at that. Look at that rejection. Fuck. I mean, if that isn't an example of how to wait for candles to close, I don't know what is. Like 10 pips. Someone would have taken that as well. Oh, look at that. So rejecting the highs there. So give this stream a like if you stuck to your plan and didn't take any impulses like I've told you. Make sure to like the stream because I've just saved you 10 pips. Make sure to give a like on the stream for sure. So we'll see what it does here. I mean, still, as long as this candle closes in 4 minutes time, we'll get more indication of where we can head for sure. But let's just look at gold. I think gold's more of an option right now. Oof. 90 minutes for this. It's got 4 minutes left. We'll see where this candle closes. We'll see where this candle closes. Wow, 34 likes in the stream already. It's only 10 past 8. That's amazing. But yeah, guys, as I said, if you've got like trader friends and stuff, make sure to share the stream for them. Say, come and check it out. Oh yeah. If you guys, yeah. So if you guys don't know how to send charts, all you have to do is press the camera here, copy image chart, and then I think you can just paste it in here. Oh no. So you need to do this, and then you need to do copy link to the chart image, like that. And then on stream, you can press it here, Control V, and then just take off the trading view bit, and then just send. Oh shit! I didn't mean to do that. You take off the trading view bit like this, and then just send that. That is how you send a chart, or obviously through Discord. But yeah, I'm waiting for gold sells right now. I think they're looking a bit juicier, unless we get a solid closure for GJ, which it's still turning again. I'm gonna make an alert, I think. 450. There we go. So I've got an alert, so it's gonna ping me if you get to that point. That's fine. So I can leave that now. Let's just open my calculator for gold over here. So we have a nice, I think it's like 70 pip zone here. Really, really solid zone. So in 2 minutes time, if this candle does close below this zone here, I'll be looking for sells at that point. It's good that it's rejecting these highs already. Ooh, nice. But very, very key zone here. This is really big decision candle, seeing if we can get the closure. Okay, so we have a risky trade though. It played out. Looking for rejections from Asian lows. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this chart. Okay. Ooh, nice charts. I like these charts. So, GJ. Previous 4 hour support, Asian low, last 2 4-hour candle. Wick rejections here. Okay. 30-minute close below minus support, back in the range. Okay. Recent Asian resistance closes above have more potential for upside. GJ very bullish. Higher time frame. So you entered on here. Yeah, that's great. I think that's fine. I mean, obviously this didn't have a lower wick, but you know, your stop loss. Ooh, your stop loss. So the one thing I would say here, guys. 1 second. That's fine, and that's fine. Okay. So, you know, your stop loss here, you could have had a lot of a tighter stop loss. So let's have a look here. So your stop loss is all the way down at the Asian low. So you had. Oh, this is still 10 pips. Oh, that's not bad at all. Okay, so. That's alright, but also, if this candle here exceeded the low, so when you entered on the open of this, if it exceeded the low of the previous, what were you going to do? Were you going to take off any partials, or were you going to hold it? Because that's a really good idea to take off partials. If you exceed the low of the previous, you know, it's not looking good for your trade. You don't want that to happen. So I would take off 50% exceeding those lows. And that'll save you another, like, 3 pips. But really, really good actually. You're waiting for support to form, and done. Nice. You said risky trade though. It played out. I wouldn't say it was risky. I mean, it was in the range, I suppose. Maybe it breaks above here would have been nicer. But it was all right. Nice. Good. Also, really good charts. Good descriptive charts. Really like that. So now hoping we stay above 300. Yeah. Can you help take a look, man? Okay. I'll finally take a look at your GA. You've been begging for it. Okay. So for me, there is absolutely nothing in GA, and the reason why is because of this. Someone tell me in the chat why I don't like GA. So first of all, I want the chat to be more aggressive and kind of stuff. Just be vocal. I can tell you if you're right or wrong. So look, daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish, but why don't I like buys for GA right now? You tell me why. Just by looking at this chart right here. So I'm on the 4 hour. Why is GA buys maybe not the best to trade? Can no one know? Let's just keep on GJ here. At a resistance, yes. Well done, Tushar. Who says in here? 4 hour candle ended below the resistance. Yes, well done in Zoom chat. So you can see that, you know, potential buys over here. We have a lot of resistance, a lot of big 4 hour resistance, a lot of resistance here. So this may struggle. Okay, this is a clear resistance. So just that's first hand though. Let's look into the lower charts over here. So here it's actually not looking as bad, okay, because we got a nice hourly close. Okay, so even though we take that into consideration, this isn't too bad. So going to the 30-minute time frame here, we had a resistance at this level, which we broke above. Now we've broken above again, but we've also exceeded the low of the previous. This is why it gets hard, and you can see deep rejection. So you can see now there is a resistance up here. So for me, maybe buys above 1.89513 kind of area, and sells would be probably below these ranges. So you can see at the moment we are in a range. The range is 15 pips. We have a range because we can't break above and we can't break below at the moment. So that is my analysis for GA. Okay, let's have a look at your chart for it. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh, fuck off. Yeah. Looks like GJ completely rejected those highs, which is really, really good that we did that. So let's have a look here. Let's have a look at your chart. Oh shit. Why do I keep on pressing F1 instead of delete? Right, let's have a look here. So are you in a trade yet, or I've got a buy stop? Buy stop could be working, yeah. Buy stop could be nice. Because you've had the break above, you had the close above on the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks nice. So, yeah, if this candle just flip, and it's going to be below the current 1 hour, that's a good idea. Good 1 hourly trade, because for the hourly, it looks clean. Because the hourly here closed above this resistance. Right here, closed above this. So potential buys could be nice for the hourly time frame. Looks a lot cleaner for sure. So that could be nice. Oh, guys, look at this. Wow. So as I went out, I was exactly for our analysis here. Didn't get a closure below. So therefore the sells are invalid, and as you can see now, we have reacted off support. Really, really clear indication of waiting for price to close below or above. And we got the closure above this support, so it still is acting as a support, and now I've just rallied off it. So sells that have been dead. So if you got into some sells here when we're breaking these lows, you wouldn't be having a good time right now. GJ tapped this zone. I mean, tapped it. Thank God I didn't have a buy stop on there. Fuck, I literally tapped exactly 151,450, but didn't close above. So you know, saved a lot of money. But who is your mentor? I don't have any mentor at the moment, and I never will. Never had a mentor. I've had people I look on streams for them and stuff like that, learn off them, but I've never been mentored by anyone. Looks like gold is rejecting Asian session lows and lows it's made yesterday. Yeah, so it must be a clear support. Get this fucking thing off. The market's looking strong. I'm buying. This fucking eToro adverts, bro. Right. What are the questions for you guys like to ask me? I'm gonna do like I think I'm gonna do an Insta live as well soon, for sure. But as I say always, guys, make sure you give a sub on the stream, guys. So if we look here this week, I think we started on maybe like 460, 480 subscribers, maybe. We're on 571. Thought you learned from Raja. Yeah. But I didn't mentor him. I didn't buy his mentorship. So, but I learned from watching his streams for sure. Max is safer than Raja. I think we're both very similar. I think he's happy to take more impulses than me, but that's just it. I think I'm probably mixed between Raja and control effects. I wait for bottom wicks and top wicks more than he does. He would take more of an impulse, but it depends. Okay. Looks like gold is rejecting. Yeah, lovely. Thought you learned from Raja. You trade like Raja. I have buys on GJ running 151253. So let's see if we can get that breakout to the upside. Yes. Is your stop loss a break even? I hope it is, Vlado. Because really good entry there. The price really shouldn't start coming down there, because if it does exceed and exceed your entry, we're going to be coming back to these lows. Yeah, sure. Stop loss at break even. Good lad. That's what I like to hear, because as you look at my YouTube name, stop loss matters, bro. Shit needs to be key. You trade like Raja. Sure do. That's all it is. There's lots of reasons. To be fair, I could do a video of why I like trading like Raja, why I trade 10 pips kind of vibe. It's a really good. I can explain it quite well as well. You know, like doing an advantages disadvantages table of different ways to trade, and why this is probably the best one. Ooh, Lado's going to be hit at break even in a second, but that's good. I mean, it doesn't look like it's going up, so you know, take that break even for sure. Really rejecting those highs. What do you think about Trader Monty? I'm part of his TLS group. Really good. I love Monty. Monty's a good lad. I talked to him quite a lot. He's a good G. I think he's doing really well, and he's got Kerwin on it now, so really good group. I think solid. He trades a bit different to Raja as well. He trades like he could hold trades a bit longer. Do a video on risk management and how to cut losses short. Yes, it's a good one. I mean, I did quite a lot of that in the entries one, but for sure I'll do that. I've got a lot of YouTube ideas I can do now for sure. A lot of YouTube ideas. But if you guys haven't looked at my YouTube videos, if you guys are new here, because I know there's a lot of people new in the stream, I think today, make sure at the weekend, because one video is quite big, make sure to watch this video. Really important for how I take trades and entries. So I talk about the disadvantages of doing it certain ways. I talk about basically how you can get faked out sometimes, how I can barely get faked out. Yeah, Yeah, Kerwin smashing on gold during New York. Yeah, Kerwin's a good lad. I really like Kerwin. I like everyone. I like everyone in the thing. Every single person in this industry I get along with nicely, apart from like one person, but everyone knows who that twat is. But yeah, can you please check charts for stream? My doubt is a little bigger. Can't type complete here. Oh, sorry, on Discord. Sure. Not a chart, but a small doubt. I've recently started with a $100 account, and I risk 2% per trade to practice risk management. But sometimes in gold, when the stop loss is 20 pips or so, I have to use a 0.01, and then I can't practice risk management. Yeah, okay, so that is one of the disadvantages of doing a small account. But if it's a 20 pip stop and a 10 pip gain, that's not too bad. What I'd advise you do is, if you're starting on an account to start risk management, I really suggest you don't touch gold, because gold is something you need to master for years. Gold is a hard in and out thing. I advise sticking to GJ for a year. Don't be looking at gold, because one gold trade where you forget to put the stop loss and no rinses, that you're just going to be goosed. I'd really advise don't start on gold. I'll reply that so everyone can see that in the chat. But yeah, I'd advise don't start on gold. Keep with GJ. It's simpler. You get how the wicks are. Gold is in and out quite trickily. If you don't have magic keys, first of all, you can get slipped quite a lot. And you can't manage risk because you're on a 0.01. So yeah, but really get into that rhythm of just doing it on GJ. And I mean, I tell you, I did that. So if you look at my Instagram, I wonder how many people you guys follow me doing this, but I did a basically thing. I wanted to show people how you could actually do it properly. You could actually trade just using a smaller account, and it would make no difference of you succeeding. So I started this series. Okay, where was this? This was years ago. Oh, nearly a year ago. So did a cool series for about 2 months, I think. God, my skin was bad then. Fuck. But basically, you go here. So. Starting 100, I use 0.02 lots. For some of them, 0.04 on break evens and kind of stuff like that. So if you go, look, you see the growth. You can hear £1.20. You see £5 for the week, I think that was. So showing how it can, all my trades for this week here. You can see £6 it was, doing very, very small lots. And you can see, keep on going along, just dedication and just, doing the same thing every single day. Look, we're up 27 now, 33, so 40%, 43%, and yeah, so that's I did it for like, I think 3 weeks, no, not 3 weeks, yeah, looks like, not 3 weeks, 3 months, for you guys. Oh, we got a subscriber here, welcome Vlado. Oh, thank you for subscribing to the stream. Thank you very much, supporting me out, lovely. But yeah, oh my god, look how bad my trim was there, fuck. But yeah, doing the £100 account, really good. Oh, we're coming back up here. USD JPY in 5-minute chart. Tusha, send me a chart please, and I'll have a look. Mohammed, what lot size do you recommend if you're using a £1,000 account? You should be risking not £10. Yeah, £10 a trade, so 0.1 lots if you're risking 10 pips. So keep with the 0.1 lots, do it for a month. If you make 20%, you can take the 20% out and feel good, or you could increase your lot size 20%. That's how you can compound it. That's how I've been doing it for compound, really good. Make sure to give it a like on the stream, guys. Let's get this to 50 likes. We can do that easily. Hi all, welcome. So we're waiting for GJ buys above this zone right here. We're coming back up. Oh, okay. We're looking good for some buys. Okay. Wow, the chat's very busy today. Thursday's a busy day. Gold is beautiful to trade. I think I'll look for another pair till I gain enough capital to trade gold. Yeah, I think gold is nice to trade because you can get a lot of pips, but you can also lose a lot of money on gold. I'm telling you, from experience being younger. So yeah, and if you guys haven't subscribed or liked, make sure to do that and get notifications when I'm here, because I'm here every single morning. So let's look at some more questions here. Gold is beautiful trade. Yeah, I hope so. We should really break out the outside 4 hour. Looks really good. For GJ, yeah, I'm waiting for you know, so exceeding these wicks, 151450. If you look at the hourly candle here, really need to exceed these wicks. I'm waiting for a closure, so if people are new to the stream, this is what I'm looking for, exactly to the T. I'm looking for this candle to close in a minute's time, or in the next 15 minutes time to close above resistance, wait for its lower wick, and then when we exceed, that is the candle that I'll be taking at that point. So yeah. Also, current 4 hour didn't break previous lows. Yep. Take partials. Thank you very much. So who? Oh yeah. So Vlado's still in a trade here. He nearly got stopped out. Oh, he's lucky. How do we find bias in the market? Mind sharing? Yep, sure thing. So let's start from the higher time frames. So if you guys are new to the stream here, this is how I mark my charts out and how I find a bias. So daily time frame. The first thing I do in the morning. So if you oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. If you're here in the morning, this is what I do. So the daily time frame, I put this yellow line on the daily flip. So you can see this yellow line is on the daily flip right here. And this basically shows me that if price is above this line, we are bullish for the day. Okay, so at the moment we are bullish for the daily. The 4 hour, which I just accidentally moved, I put on the 4 hour flip, which is here. Let me just lock that in place. So if price is above this line, we are bullish for the 4 hour. If it comes below this line, we are bearish. So now knowing that, we've got both lines. You can see here, both lines are below the price, so therefore we are looking for buys right now, and we're waiting for a closure above this resistance over here. But there is no sells right now because we are bullish. Ooh, no bottom wick, no bottom wick. So what bottom wick is you know, we need to make a bottom wick here because most candles make a bottom wick. So this is good. Okay, yes, run down a bit more. Maybe exceeding these candles could be a good idea now. To be honest, because of this volume, exceeding these highs, stop loss would be, ooh, we can have a nice stop as well, back in the zone. Oh, shut up. The live stream has some random stupid adverts on half the time. Wow, so many stuff. Previous day is massive bullish. Hopefully that current wick rejection is lovely. Right, so I'm really this is looking nice here. Obviously, this candle, unfortunately, this 50-minute candle still hasn't closed above. So it's very hard to take any trades. But let's see how big this lower wick is. But this is what I want. I want a lower wick like this. If we do start exceeding its own high and maybe crossing 151450, I may take a buy with stop loss below the current low it's making right now, which would be a nice stop loss. Antonio, how are you looking at this, boy? If he's in the chat. Antonio. Or Connor. Connor. Yo, Connor, have you not got a mic? Come talk and stream, boy. Stop loss matters. What your name, and did you have any massive hurdles to overcome before you became profitable? What's your journey? Oh, my journey is big. So my name is Max, and my journey, I started when I was 15 and got hooked pretty much instantly from trading Apple with my dad. And from then on, lost probably about 6 accounts from the age of 16 to 18. Lost a total of probably 10 grand, and basically found a Raja on a stream. He was actually on Twitch at the time, and he was doing this, and you know, I was looking for these big trades because everyone's like, oh, I want 1,000 pips and stuff, and I could see these little nerds, you know, Raja and Ted and some other people. I think Mac was there as well, and they just got 10 pips, and they were like, whoa, we got 10 pips, yes. And I'm like, why are they so happy that they've got 10 pips? And that was the start of the journey, and realised that 10 pips is all you need. And from then on, I watched his streams for 2 years straight, and then started being profitable from it. And basically started my Instagram because I wanted to help people get out of the horrible kind of gambling side of it, where you don't really know what you're doing, and really helping people. Ooh, look at this flip. Okay. So stop loss would be here. Ooh, stop loss is still rough. Where's stop loss in here? 400. Oh, that's not too bad. Let's look at the 5 minute. Ooh, okay, we're exceeding these highs right now, guys. Stop loss will be here at 400. I'm actually going to enter right now, not going to lie. Let's have a look. Still want to wait a little bit more. Maybe a buy stop here. Yeah. Let's have a look. Get my zones in properly. So how long have we got left for this 15 minute? 11 minutes time. Okay, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Oh wow, we got another subscriber right here. Uptown. Thank you for subscribing. Right, I'm in a trade right now, guys. I've had a buy stop right at this point. My stop loss is going to be below the actual current candle low. Okay, the current candle low. So I have a lovely 6 pip stop loss. Targets are going to be quite nice. I'm going to be looking left for the target specifically. I think with London volume, this is a really good opportunity to get into a trade right here. And what I'm going to be looking for is filling this wick up and then to exceed even further. So let's see if we can get a trade. Oh, we're running nicely, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. So stop loss is here. How am I going to manage risk? Well, my risk is already kind of managed, to be honest, at this point. We've got a really nice stop of about 5 pips. So we're running nicely here. We'll have Mike tomorrow. Oh, good stuff, good stuff. So we're up here about 2.5, 2.6 pips. Max, nice to meet you, bro. You are a full-time trader right now. Yeah, I just finished uni. We are up 4 pips, guys. 5 pips. Amazing work. So how am I going to manage risk here? When we get to maybe 6, 7 pips, I'll put my stop loss to break even. But we're looking good for these buys right now. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Let's go, squad. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you're new here. This is the biggest day. Amazing stuff. Make sure to like, subscribe. We've got another subscriber, guys. Welcome, Johnny Martin. Welcome. Use partials, Max. I'm alright at the moment. We're good. We're good. I think with price we should be good here. I'll be looking to put my stop loss to break even. Maybe soon. Maybe. We will see. We'll see. Hey Max, what about the wick at the 480? Yeah, that's a good point. It's a good point. But I think with volume we should be good right here. But yeah, it's a good point. But we're gonna come up now. You had 10k when you were 16. Wow, I love the grind. No, so like from this age of, so I've been working. I worked a job since I was 12. So I did a paper round for like 3 years. Worked basically every single day. Then from then I worked at a Chinese and paper shop. I was a coordinator when I was 15. Sorry. So I've been working since I was 12. So yes, sir. So we're running here now nicely, guys. Damn. So what am I going to do now? Still holding. I'm alright. I think with volume we should be still pushing up nicely over here. Yeah, breaks above 460. Looks promising. Yes, sir. Max, nice to meet you, bro. You a full-time trader? Yeah, so just finished uni. I did massive finance. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. I mean, what a great trade. So now at this point, my stop loss is going to be at break even. Stop loss at break even right now. I'm going to be taking some off maybe soon. I'm about 6 pips, 7 pips, all that kind of stuff. So stop loss break even. This is a risk-free trade now, guys. Risk-free trade at this point, and we should still continue going up. Wow, 65 views in the chat, 45 likes. Make sure you like the stream for this dub. Hell yeah! You know, break even trade is good. So I actually got in a bit further down. So I'm here. I'm about 8 pips. So I should continue here though. Beautiful trade, guys. Every single morning. Do this every single morning. Yes, sir. I saw that wick up and I was like, bro, this 5 minutes gonna launch. I'm not missing this trade, bro. W in the chat, guys. Let's get the W's in the chat, boys, as usual. Let's go. Let's get them likes, guys. Let's get them likes up. We got W's in the chat. We're up already with a runner and all that good stuff. Look at this. Oh, jeez. Wow, 66 viewers, guys. So if you are new here, make sure to give it a like on the stream and subscribe as well to get notified. But we're coming up to our TP here now, guys, which is delicious. Yeah, stop loss to break even now, guys. So the reason why I say break even is this 5 minutes shouldn't really exceed this low and should continue up. Oh, we're going. Oh wow, another subscriber, bro. Jasim Sakia, thank you very much. 10 pips, guys. So I'm closing 75% at that point. Amazing trade. There we go. There we go here. There we go. And now I've got a nice runner. So amazing trade from start to finish, guys. 48 likes in the stream. Make sure to like the stream if you got that dub. What makes you not wait on the candle closure on the trade compared to any other? So the reason why I wanted to get into this one is because of how strong the 5 minutes were, and we were exceeding these highs. We've tried once already. Also, the 30-minute was bullish. Yeah, we didn't really close above, but I thought with volume, I'm at least going to get a break even. And you can see at this point, I got break even pretty quickly. So if this was a fake out, if this 5 minute here started coming back down, I would have been at break even. So I was happy to take it with the volume. And mainly for the fact that we were breaking the 4-hour highs again. We tried once, didn't work. You know, the second time is normally a big indication we're going to be flying. And yeah, we got them 10 pips there. Amazing. Let's go. Did you get that as well, Connor? Lovely. 67 viewers in the chat, bro. This is the biggest day ever. Amazing. Amazing stuff, guys. So what we're going to look for next. So we're looking for runners, and where are we going to target? We're going to target above here. Wow, another subscriber. Brandon Fisher. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Really, really just help the channel out. And we're here every single morning. Hey, just to clarify again, in regards to the bias daily and 4-hour, it has to be in the same direction, is it? Yeah, so in most cases it has to be in my kind of bias here. Both, if you keep both of them on the high on the same time frame, a lot easier to get the trades. Nice trade, thank you very much. But yeah, we're running here 13 pips profit, amazing. Yeah, man, I just got in from 348. Tagged you in a story on IG, shouted the stream out. My boy, thank you very much, Connor. First time seeing your live stream, brilliant stuff, man. Got my 10 pips for the day, amazing. So yeah, another W on the stream. We haven't taken any losses in the past week or 2 weeks really, unless kind of a trend, which are risky as fuck. Yeah, exactly. So for example, if a daily time frame is bullish and the 4-hour is bearish and you take a sell, you know, it's a bit riskier. Maybe put your stop loss to break even a bit easier. Vlado, when I was 15 and like a month before 16th birthday, I had 500 euros and eToro account on my grandma. Went all in and made 10k, then lost it all on Bitcoin when I tried to buy all high time highs again. Yep, I've lost some serious money on footsie. That was what I was doing when I was younger. Could you explain the entry again, mate? As I missed it. Girlfriend was talking to me, lol. My girlfriend just got out of bed. Right, so I really like this 5 minutes. I was looking at this 5 minute. We flipped the daily, and I know, you know, with this volume, look how big this candle is. With volume, I'm happy to take an impulse, especially like if we're seeing these highs over here. Look how big these candles are. So even at this point, you could have taken an entry. But I was happy to take it with the volume because the candles are big, and we were flipping all time frames. We were exceeding these highs. It was great. And to be honest, at this point, because someone said, you know, there's a resistance to the left over here, and that was this. If we got up to that point there and started coming back down, I would have just taken it off at break even, just by pressing it on the actual magic keys. So yeah. So the way I managed risk here, guys, was not managed risk. Like just did my stuff was magic keys. If you haven't had them already, make sure to pick them up. They're pretty good. Wow, 49 likes, guys. Let's get this to 50 likes. Amazing. Also amazing trade. Amazing trade to finish the week. Yes, sir. Like the way you walk the talk. Nice trade on GJ. Thank you, brother. Yeah, if you guys haven't joined the Discord as well, make sure to join that. We talk about this all day. London session, NY session. We've got lots of people coming in now. But yeah, we're filling this up nicely. So make sure to join that. But yeah, lovely. So I've still got my runner on, 7 pips in profit at break even. So it is a risk-free trade, which is what you want. Lovely. So guys, let's have a look at some more trades here. How much is your profit this week? I'm up now, I think about 5%. 5.5%. So not too bad, not too bad. So gold, really respecting these lows right here. Oh, fuck off. Is this thing still on? No, it's off now, finally. Okay, so does anyone want me to look at any of the charts? I'll look at them now because I'm free as I've done my trade for the day. Let's see how many subscribers. See that influx of people there? That's mad. Wonder how that happened, bro. Sick. Wow. Jeez. So for continued buys, I mean, you're getting a buy, you're closing above as well. I'm ahead of people. We'll be back tomorrow with the mic. Hopefully, lots. Take good care. No bother, kind of no bother. Can't wait to see you work with Connor. Yes, sir. Max, what do you personally do to overcome a losing streak? The self-doubt's coming into it. You know, there's a lot of. It is hard, to be honest. It is hard to get over a losing streak. The one thing is you know, if you are feeling in doubt, you need to go and back test either so like there's this program you can get. It's called SoftFX, and you can basically, you know, trial out your analysis again, make a spreadsheet and all the trades you would have done and won, and you know, you need to get that confidence back. You need to believe in yourself, but you can't believe in yourself if you know, if you think, you know, oh, I'm in a losing streak, I'm having self-doubt, you know, you can't believe in yourself. So you have to really be patient with stuff like that. But this candle now, so let's look at the 15-minute. Oh, it's going to close in 10 seconds time. Let's see if we can hit full TP over here. Journaling is what helped me learn from mistakes. Yes, for sure. For sure. So now look at this. Now we've got a closure above. So Antonio, you looking at trades right here?
Yeah, I'm looking to take the entry. But I'm just calculating to see this minor 15-minute resistance over here to see how far it is. Oh, we're flipping. Oh shit. Oh.
Things just stop. Where would your stop be? So
my stop would be below the previous 15-minute lows.
Yeah, it's like 14 pips.
Yeah.
I'd wait a bit. I'd wait a bit longer.
Yeah, because this 15-minute resistance right here is just not it for me. Because it's about like only 3 pips away from my entry.
Oh, is it? Wait, where is this? Where is this resistance? It's over here.
See, right there.
Yeah. Yeah. Like here and here.
No, let me annotate your screen. Hold on. Right here. Where's my thing? Right here.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I can see that. I suppose it is only mini. It is only mini though, I suppose. But yeah, I know what you mean. But I do think for people, it is still a good opportunity. I mean, if I'm looking at these 5 minutes though, I don't really like these 5 minutes. Rejecting that so hard already, but you know, it's just forming the lower wick of this 15. So if this 15 doesn't exceed the low of the previous, or doesn't come back in this range here and starts flipping, it's going to be nicer buys again for sure.
At this point, I don't mind waiting for the 30-minute because 30-minute has cleaner traffic, and yeah, closure is gonna be better.
Yeah,
at this point for me. If I miss it, I miss it.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah. Wow, we got so many questions. Maybe another buy with current 50-minute close. With stop loss below 50-minute candle. Yeah, you could do, but as we just said there, like, you know, we don't know because the 5 minutes are rejecting quite hard. What you could do though, and this is what I'd advise people who want to get into trades, not on the closure, because you know, we know we're going to be making bottom wicks and top wicks. This is going to make a bottom wick here. When we start flipping, then this could be the new stop loss. So what you do here, I'll get rid of this, but let's see if it hits my target. So you could get into a trade here. If this starts flipping, you could have a 5 pip stop. Because my stop loss for that trade was so good as well, or whatever, how low this goes, it could actually go to this low, and then if it starts flipping back up here, that is going to be the trade with stop loss below the current low, to then start flipping up. Right, my stop loss has been hit at break even for the trade runner. So let's just do this. Trade's called, trade's taken. GJ buys plus 13 pips. Fire. So this is why, you know, taking 10 pips is the perfect way, because normally price does retrace after the push. Good morning. Any targets for GJ push? Yeah, so if you're still looking for buys, 730 is the new kind of resistance level, which is up here. There's also a mini one here at 637. So yeah. Do you is SoftFX free? No, I think it's like $100 or £100. Yeah, so someone said journaling is what helped me learn from mistakes. Yeah, facts. Do you use the same lot size each time, or do you let me adjust lot size and risk a set percentage? I risk the same lot size because my stop loss is always 10 pips or lower. So, you know, I keep that in mind. I don't change my stop loss anything higher. Luke. On Magic Key, oh yeah, on-screen Magic Key is a game changer. Yes, sir, Magic Keys. Make sure you use my link in Instagram bio for sure. If people are new here, how did you follow me? How did you find me on YouTube? Did you guys just type in like FOREX Streams or some shit? SoftFX is not free. It is definitely an investment in order to practice your trades and become more profitable taking entries. Yes, SoftFX is really, really good. Really, really good. I do like SoftFX. There's a free version of SoftFX, yeah, but it's not as good. Someone said that if you email them, they send you a 20% discount code. Oh wow, that's good. But yeah, guys, make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Let's get this to 60 likes. That's amazing. But we just grew like mad from that little jump that people came in. It's fire. W's, we got W's in the chat. Let's see if there's any more charts on Discord. Let's have a look here. Oh wow, lots of people joining though. There's no charts left. If you've got any more charts, feel free to send them. Is your trading full-time gig, Max? Is trading your full-time gig, Max? Yes, sir. Because I've just finished uni, so I'm still applying for other jobs there as well. Because I don't want to just be working by myself the whole time. I want to try, you know, working in like corporate for a bit as well. But I could just do this. I could do this as well in the morning, so I'm not too bothered. But because I did massive finance at uni, I can basically do whatever I want. So. One dislike, man. Maybe he'll mix up GJ buys and GJ sells. Oh, I know who that dislike is. There's a dislike every stream. So if you look here, if you go here, my channel, videos. Actually, no, you can do this here. YouTube Studio, content. So let's have a look at lives. So here. One dislike, one dislike, one dislike, one dislike, one dislike. Here, one dislike. So yeah, some people just don't like me. But you know, how could you dislike a stream which just made people money?
The hate's always gonna be there, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You just take it with a pinch of salt and just keep on growing. Found you on IG. Jeez, I wonder how people find me on IG though. Like, which my hashtags. Like, how do you find people on IG? I think it's well hard. When I go back home, I'm gonna be, you know, fucking thinking about how I can do some TikToks. But I can't do boring TikToks. They'd be fun. But that shit will gauge you like hard. It really will help. Ooh, so in 8 minutes time, if this candle closes back in the range over here, then this is a fake out. So to catch this, will you wait for the 30-minute to form a bottom wick, flip and continue, right? Rather than waiting for it to break the high. Yes. So that is kind of my strategy that I use all the time. If the break in the high is quite close to it, then I'll just wait for it to break the high. But most of the time, it's flipping the candle and then current lows. But obviously here, it's not looking good now. This is quite a big thing. So look at here. Oh, it's 10 pips. So it isn't too bad, to be honest. But yeah, these 5 minutes really rejecting them highs over here. But yeah, that's what I normally do. If you go to my Forex entries video, which I did a couple like last week, basically explains that to the T. So, oh, is my coffee cold now? Coffee's cold. That means you know I was doing something good on the streams. Gold was still waiting for breaking below. Let's have a look at the 30-minute. Not too bad. I think someone tagged you in a story, maybe Raja or Control FX. Ah, the boys. Let's see Connor's. Connor's Instagram. He's got like a proper like Yorkshire accent. He's from Yorkshire. Jeez, that was some nice trade. Fuck. Very, very easy trades as well. Good stuff, guys. But yeah, if you guys have came from YouTube, please tell me how you found me. I'd be really interested. Dislike our haters. Yes, sir. Haters. We love a good hater. I'm pretty sure I know who it is, so it keeps them happy. Right. So, 6 minutes time. It's still got enough time to wick back up, but this 5 minute isn't that nice. So you think the same, Antonio? Like it's a bit rejecting it pretty solidly.
Yeah, it's rejecting it a lot. That's why I would wait for the 30 minute to see how the 30 minutes gonna close in about 5 minutes here.
Yes. So this is a really good point. So Antonio's saying you're waiting for the 30 minute, and the reason why he's waiting for the 30 minute is because in 5 minutes time, if this candle here closes back in resistance, you know that it's really, really holding it, and it's a big resistance. IG bro, I found you on Instagram. Oh wow, so Dotfix said your stream popped on my YouTube feeds. Luckily I found you, bud. Wow, I think YouTube does that. It is quite good for that. I'm not gonna lie. Not tagged you now. I mean, that's how I found you from someone's story. Yeah. So I'm gonna be getting some guests on as well for Fridays. I'll ask Raja. I think Raja will probably be able to do it for me. I mean, he's busy, but I'll get him on it. And I would do Ted, but Ted is normally not up until... Actually, is he up until London? Where does he live again? He is in Toronto, doesn't he? Toronto. Time zone. Time. Yes, it's fucking 2 AM if you wanted to come on. It's a bit rough.
Yeah.
It's a bit...
3:55 right now, right?
Yeah, it's a bit rough, isn't it? What's Connor's IG handle? I think 10 pips daily, I think up. Came up on my YouTube stream. Wow, so yeah, YouTube just helped me a lot there. Fire. So you can see here, ooh, if we get this closure though in 4 minutes time, we're still closing above resistance right here. We have a nice wick to fill now. Vancouver PST time. Is that the same as that? I'm so dumb with shit like that. Vancouver time. Oh, fucking hell. It's 1 AM. Oh, so it's 1 AM, so you could get on... Nah, it's still a bit rough. It's 12 PM. I may actually just film interviews with them, not gonna lie. Because that'll be good for my... I'd really like to do that. 3 hours difference, wow. So 3 minutes time we're gonna close here. So for people later on, just be careful if you're trading gold at NY, because at 1:30 there's news coming out. So, you know, if you're in a trade before 1:30, make sure either be at break even at that time or get out of the trade, because, you know, volume, you know, you shouldn't be on bigger news events and having gold trades on. It just doesn't go well, okay? That's from numerous times that I've been in trades in gold. Forget that there's news because I didn't fucking look, and then get absolutely domed. Do you take more than one trade after winning? Yes, so I was actually talking about that recently. Normally before I didn't, but normally when there's nice trades to be taken, I'll happily take more than one, because some days I take no trades because there's no setups. If I take a trade and there's loads of setups, then I'm going to take them, aren't I? So yeah, I take more. But if this candle here closes in 2 minutes time bearish, back in the zone, we're not looking good for these GJ buys. But 30 minutes still looks alright. Maybe 30 minute salary play, that's how big the wick's quite far though.
Yeah, if the 30 minute closes above, then the 15 minute will close above as well. So yeah, potential 15 minute salary play. But I would get in on the flip of the new candle on the 30 minute.
Yeah, this 30 minute needs to make a new
left, and it would be a wick fill.
Yeah. So this candle here, guys, what we're saying is we need the wick for this candle to make its low wick, because we know candles always make top wicks and bottom wicks most of the time. There's one that here that didn't, but most of the time it does. So make its low wick, and then when we start flipping, that is the trade. Fucking hell, that candle's huge. So yeah, lovely stuff. So who's taking trades today? Who took this GJ buys? Someone holler at me. Wow, 60 likes in stream, biggest stream ever. I think peak concurrent viewers. I'm pretty sure I hit like 68. Then that's fire. That's dedication, being on here every morning. So Thursdays are all quite big days actually. I think YouTube likes me for Thursdays for sure. GU's still bearish on the higher time frames, but it's starting to make some support here. Sells below here are going to be nice for GU. Question, yes, I like questions. Give me lots of questions. Why is there 54 live viewers here? Right. Question, do you keep the same risk on second trade or reduce it? Same, it'll be the same. Same trade. Same risk. It'll be the same lot size basically. I don't use the same risk, I use the same lot size. So, and my stop loss is 10 pips or under. I don't do anything higher really. On MT5 it looks also nice for continued buys. We are forming support at previous area of resistance. Yes, but in 36-second time, I'm sorry, but if this candle closes back in this range here, this is a fake out. So if this candle closes here, yeah, we could start pushing up, but for me there's no buys and we should start filling this range back up. It's just my analysis on it. I've seen it happen numerous times this past week where we get a closure back in, rejects it pretty hard. If we do close back in this resistance again, we should be filling it back up. Daniel Sauer is just like, oh, Daniel Sauer, no, he's a G. I actually talked to him quite a bit as well. He's a G. I like him, he's funny. Damn that rejection. Yes sir, so look, we should continue now. Sells back into the zone. Obviously sells are risky though because the daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bullish, the hourly was bullish. Ooh, the hourly did close. The hourly did close above the resistance, but for me that's no sign. And if this exceeds the low of the previous 30-minute, ooh, and flips the daily again, you can see we are in this clear range right at this point. So this hourly closing nicely, really holding this level. But sells below here, 1784 are going to be very nice. I can't wait to see them happen. Yeah, so Antonio, what are you thinking of this? Not at all.
Yeah, no entry for me.
Yeah,
just I would want to see a 30-minute closure above that resistance.
Yeah.
Which I haven't got.
Yeah. Wow, big fake out, big fake out. But for people who are, trade the way I trade, you wouldn't even been faked out here if you didn't get in early, because here you would have been waiting for the lower wick to form and then to flip and wick up and flip the candle, and that never happens, so you don't get faked out a lot. According to your own risk management parameters, what lot size would you recommend for a 4K account? So a 4K account, you risk 1%, that's $40 or £40, so you should be using a 0.4 lot. It's basic maths, yeah. So and you can do that with anything. So if you have a £1,000 account, you should be using a 0.1 lot because you're risking 1% or 2%. If you want to risk 1.5%, then you just do the maths. It's pretty quick, For me, if it flips bullish, I'm in to fill the wick. If what flips bullish, this. I mean, I'd probably say preferably exceeding these wicks again. So how I got in, so like here. That could be a good entry for sure. Wow, 61 likes in the stream, amazing. Wow, we gained so many subscribers there. That button was going mad. That was sick. I was like, thanks for subscribing, everyone. 588 subscribers. Damn. Nah, close would be better. Close would be safer for sure. Close would be safer for very much sure. But yeah, so if this 30-minute flicks up, not a good option for me. There's no closure. Big rejection. But it still could fill it up, but I see
what he means.
Yeah.
If he wants to get in buys over that 30-minute resistance, but I have mine lying at the 15-minute time frame resistance, so it's a little bit higher, just where you have it. Yeah. So if he has his lower, then that's probably why he's looking for entries.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
But I just like to be safer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've had too many years of not being safe. It's time for me to be safe now.
Facts. I know my setups when I see them.
Do you see yourself doing another fun in talent to increase your account balance? Yes, sir. I'm starting it back on next week after bank holiday. It's another month of adding shit to my IC market. It's great. It's really good if you do it like that. It's like being at a casino, but like when you get in, get your money out and then leave, and then just put it back at home. That's all I'm doing. I'm gonna be doing a review on them soon as well. Actually, I was gonna do that years ago, but I'll be doing that as well. So look at this, as we said.
You should definitely do one of their challenges. I know you said you don't like the whole like pressure with the targets.
Yeah.
It's worth it.
Is it? So if oh wow, thank you for subscribing, everyone. Buddha and Lugdus, I think it was. I forgot what that name was. Yeah, let's have a look at that. So if you do a challenge, right, you have to do 2 steps, isn't it?
Yeah, you gotta do 2 steps.
And do you just do it? Do you just, as in like
yeah. You gotta get 8% on the first one, and then because you have 30 days, and then you got 4% on the second one.
So if you
60 days.
So if you don't, 60 days is 4%. So if you don't get it, can you get it? Can you restart it for free if you're profitable?
Yeah, if you're profitable, you get to restart for free, unlimited amount of time.
Gee, that's not bad actually. So challenge, there's no 50k challenge. 100k challenge.
I'm funded with them.
So you do 25k challenge, no rules, 2 phases with profit targets, 90% payout. So you get the 25k account after those 2 things.
Yeah.
Gee, that's not bad at all, to be honest. Fuck.
And you get a 80%. You get a 90% profit split. Up to 10% of the account. So if you make more than 10%, then they give you 80%.
80% off that next bit. So for example, if 10% of 25k, so 2,500, you get 90% of that. And then if you get 3 grand, then you get 80% of the 500 left, right?
Well, nah, they sent a new email saying like if you got more than 10%, then you would just automatically just get 80% split.
And then what happens if you have got the account and it must have like 10% rule, right?
Yeah, actually, if you say like you actually were to blow the account, quote unquote, you could actually pay 25% discount fee, and you get the account back. It's a one-time thing though. It's called the Fast Pass.
So you can only do it once.
Yeah, you can only do it once.
That's sick though. So for example, right, if I do that, get a 25k account, run it to 30, say I don't want any of the profits being taken out right now because I want a buffer. Then start at 30 grand, then the rest, obviously, you can do that. And then you have a 5 grand buffer. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty fire, to be fair. That's a good idea.
And it's bi-weekly payouts, and yeah, it's pretty straight.
That's fire, to be fair. Fuck. Shit, I might do the 100k one. That'd be a good YouTube series as well, to be fair.
Yeah, that's my next step.
Yes, sir. Wait, fucking 300k. Jeez. Yeah, that's a good idea. I need to look into that, to be honest. That's for sure. That's for sure. Oh wait, is I know. I thought GG was flipping then. What about the daily payouts? Daily payouts?
Oh, they have the Funding Talent Blitz system coming out next month.
Yeah.
It's gonna have same day payouts.
Fuck, that's pretty sick.
But I wonder what the price is gonna be on that. It's gonna be I feel like it's gonna be pretty high.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're putting their money at risk.
Yeah. Fuck.
But it seems interesting.
If you fail the elite account, you get a one-time discount fee. That's what you just said. They stopped allowing indices and crypto for weeks.
No, it was only for like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Because of their server was freezing. Like I experienced lags in their server. I was in a gold trade. Gold on TradingView dropped like 20, like almost 30 pips, and then it went against me.
Oh
Because
shit.
their servers froze and they didn't like copy.
Shit.
I don't know. Yeah.
And you can stack accounts. So pass one more 25k challenge, and they'll stack your account to 50k. Ah. Well, guys, if you're going to do Fun and Talent, make sure to use my links. I get a shitload of commission from that. Fun and Talent's commission service is fire. Holy fuck. Shit, like some people have done like 100k accounts on me, and like I get like $250 for that shit each. Wow, amazing. So yeah, as you can see here, close back in the range. Should be from this range. We are going to be flipping the daily time frame right here. Can you see that? And that'll be the end of the buys for the foreseeable. Gold, I'm still looking for sells below here. This may happen later on. So I actually may put an alert, maybe. What's this? 174, 1784. Oh, fuck off. 7.6. I'll do. There we go. So it gives me. Oh god, it's not even that far down. Damn. I am doing my forex funds. Ooh, what's that? What is that? Wow, 62 likes, guys. If you haven't liked the stream already, make sure you do. Provision is slow. Yeah, make sure you like the stream. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. Let's hit the 600 subscribers. Remember, at 1,000 subscribers, I do a Magic Keys giveaway. That'll be sick. Magic Keys giveaway, yes sir. So there's 4 hours, got an hour and 50 left though. Let's see where we head down from here. But you can see we are coming into some traffic to the left again, man. I thought we broke over and we're going to be fine, but no, we're back in this shit show, which is not the best for gold. Oh shit, we are coming down. Oh shit, we're coming down, boy. But you can see we're really rejecting them highs there. Let me just take my recording off actually before I get a fucking 30 gigabyte Instagram story. Wow, 63 likes. This has been the best day. So if you guys are new here, I started this like 2 weeks ago. The YouTube live stream. We've been growing ever since. And yeah, there's going to be some good guests on. I've got Dr. Pip coming. Dr. Pip, who's actually smashing at the moment. He's doing fire. Oh, we got another subscriber. Kim, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Let's have a look. 4 minutes time. Yep, closing back in the range still. Still got 90 minutes left. I mean, if you wait for this 50 minutes to close bullish, then there could be an option. But preferably for me, it's not the best time right now. Not the best time. Ooh, this is going to be interesting again for gold. Damn. There is a lot of traffic to the left, though. I'm not going to lie. Ooh, this is choppy. Still, though, I mean, closes below. Still could be quite a good option. Let's see the Discord. Oh, wow. Whoa, look how many people have just joined. Damn. If you haven't joined the Discord already, make sure you do. We caught them. GJ buys today. Plus 13 pips on street. Right, so we're coming down here. Let's just actually delete this before it rings in my ear and it hurts. Damn, so we are coming down. Back to these zones. Let's look at the 30-minute closure. So this 50 minutes going to close in 2 minutes time. Doesn't have much momentum to close back down to these lows over here. Let's look at the hourly. So hourly's got 47 minutes left. If it does exceed the low of the previous though, that could be a good option. But because we have a lot of news coming later on as well, it could be a lot slower for the foreseeable. Wow, 470 views that one has. Where's this one? Oh, 311. That's not bad at all. Oh, GU coming down as well. Oh, the hourly doesn't have a top wick here, so sells wouldn't be even in here. Could you do a fresh analysis on gold? Yeah, I could do one. From top to bottom. I'll show you how to do it. Yeah, because you're new here and a lot of people are new here. So let's just do this here. So we start on the daily time frame here. Right here. And then we look at the flip. So the flip is up here. So this means that if price comes to this zone, we are flipping the daily from bearish to bullish. And we normally do this as a yellow line. And then we write here on the line. So this is, if you guys are new here, daily flip. Okay. Right at this point, look at the 4 hour here. The 4 hour flip is here. So if price comes above this line, we're going to be flipping the 4 hour from bearish to bullish. So we do this, and this is called the 4 hour flip. So I use this so we can see the time frames when we're in the lower time frames, and we don't have to keep on switching. So look at this. So now we can see the daily flip, the 4 hour flip, all in these time frames now. So we can see we are clearly in a bearish trend right now. Now let's go on the 30-minute time frame. All we do is have support right here. You can see we've held it quite solidly. This is the support line because, as you can see, price came down, worked all the way down here, then came back up. This candle couldn't close below either. This candle couldn't close below. This candle couldn't close below. So this is the key support, okay? And now a resistance. You can see the resistance. Well, we have some here. Let's have a look a bit further on. Let's have a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, you can see there's actually a key resistance just at this zone right here. Because prices came up, rejected, a little doji candle. So this candle here, if people are new, this doji candle kind of shows indecision, and it shows not much strength to go up. So this is a resistance, and now we'll come back down to these lows. So I am looking for sells below this low here when we get a close, and we look left. So this also matches up with this. And targets, well, we've got clean candles here, but I mean there's zones here. So 1782. It's quite a lot of traffic though, so that's why it's not as preferable. But this 50-minute candle here didn't close anywhere near here, so there is no trade. So that's how you kind of do it. Not too hard at all, really. But you can see I've got my bias just from these daily and the 4 hour. We're lower than them, so we are bearish for the day. But as you can see, this traffic here, not good. And this works for any chart. So if you do any chart, I mean, I've done it here. Oh, shit, Antonio, have you seen this? Oh, fuck. Oh, on the exceeding the highs here. Let's look at the 5-minute. Oh, shit. Let's look at the 30-minute. Looking good now. Hourly, looking good. If you got in right here, maybe stop loss 10 pips. 10 pip gain to exceed further on. So if you got into a trade right here, I'm not going to take this because I've already taken this similar trade, but this 15-minute, I mean, if you wait for this low wick, because you haven't really created a low wick yet, this is a good option. Is Antonio here? I think he's away. GJ flipped. Yes, sir. It could be a good option. But the only thing I have against it is the 30-minute did exceed the low of the previous, okay? But I think with volume, and we're exceeding it again, we've got a nice wick to fill, exceeding these. You could have a 10 pip stop loss. That's what I'll be looking for here. And then for a 10 pip gain over here. This candle's pushing, yeah, so this is a good entry, I think, right here, 580. You have stop loss below the previous, which is in the daily as well. You're going to reach those highs and then to exceed further to our target, which is up here. I think that's a really good option. 5-minute close, really solid bullish above the zone again. This kind of closed on support, so yeah, I think this is a valid trade. Let's see if you get it, guys. Let's go. So you should be up about 33 pips right now. How are you going to manage risk? So if this 5-minute exceeds this low right here, I'd be taking off 50%. So that is a good 5 pips stop there for 50%. Shouldn't come back to this zone now. We should start exceeding and flying up again, which will also be the flip of this 15. So full stop loss will be here. Take some off at this zone. That's what I'll be doing. But obviously I'm not taking this trade because I've already taken mine. Look at this 30-minute here. Very, very key level. You should start seeing some volume push it. So who's in this trade? I know Sid Hunt, I think your name is that. You're looking at this. The only issue I have is it's because of the rejection before, but I suppose the 15-minute did close in, but then we've closed back out. In the 30-minute chart from 16th August today, could that be considered an inverted head and shoulders? 16th of August. 16th of August. Oh yeah, could do, yeah. Yeah, it could be an inverted head and shoulders, but you know, pronounced it too perfectly. Is that a joke? Or are you being sarcastic? This needs to start pushing off. 30-minute wick will possibly, yeah, but as you can see, we're rejecting it again. Oof. So look, at this point, if you were in a trade, if this flips, ooh, not the best. Not the best. Thing is, this 5-minute has closed above, so it should be alright, but managing risk here. So at the moment now, take 50% off at this point. You know, we came all the way up here. We should be continuing. This means it's a clear resistance zone. This 30-minute really respecting it. Best to wait for the 30-minute to close above 500. Yeah, exactly. Even though the 5-minute kind of did there. Yeah, exactly. Look at it. So now this will be falling down now again. So very, very tricky. You know, I only liked it before when I was pushing in because we had volume. Look at this. And I mean, this one actually came up quite nicely. 480. Yeah, 480. Because you can see here, there's even 5-minute wicks here. Wow, look at that. That's going to be screwing people up. But even the people who took that trade there, you should have been consistently taking them off when we exceeded and flipped. So here. And the rest is up here. It's down here. So taking off that, you only would lose like 6 pips. Not bad at all. Good at managing risk. So, if you guys have enjoyed the stream today, make sure to like the stream. We got amazing GJ buys, which a lot of people caught. Apart from that, gold sells could still continue below here, but wait for the candle to close. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. But make sure to come in tomorrow, exactly for Friday. Do the exact same thing again, and I hope to see you there, guys. So peace out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Peace out, peace out.
Make sure to like the stream, guys. Make sure to like it before you go. Let's get to 70 likes. That'd be amazing. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow for another great stream. See you later, guys.
Alright, my dog. Peace out.
See you later, bro. Do, 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 do.